Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and my main focus will be the Tarte Rainforest After Dark palette. I absolutely love this palette. It was worth every single penny I spent on it. Palette looks like. It is so pretty, and I will be using almost every single color in it. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then stay tuned because I'm going to get started on it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my face with the Benefit Porefessional primer, and then I'm going to be whining because I'm really tired. Next, it's time to apply foundation, but I don't have my foundation, so I'm gonna go look for that really quick.
Hello, and I'm feeling fly. It's not with the sunny sky. We laugh out like every...
Now, once I finally find my foundation, I'm just going to dot it all over my face.
We can do what we want to. We roll with the windows down. Meet up with the boys in town.
And then I'm using my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion sponge to blend that in. And FYI, this is actually how fast I blend in my foundation. I haven't sped this part up at all. I blend it really fast. I feel like some kind of superhero when I blend in my foundation.
Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like our rules. It's our life. We go on every night. Stay up till the sunlight. Tick-tock, taking our time. It's alright. Turn on, kick it and drive. Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life. It's alright. Lay out in the beachy air. Forget every single care. Breathe in and let down your hair. Live and play like every day. We got what we need right here. We're tight and that's crystal clear. We get it right every...
And now that we have finished our foundation, thank you Chanel, we are on to the next step, which is we are going to prime our eyes. And today I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer.
And we know that's how it goes. Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like our rules. It's our life. We go on every night. Stay up till...
And then I always seem to find some way to get stuff stuck in my eye. So now we are moving on to our eyes, and of course we are going to be using the Tarte palette. If I can ever get this thing open. Boom! There it is! So first we are going to take Bare to Explore, which is the pinky beige color, and apply it all over our lid. Next we are going to take Make a Mauve, which is the plum mauve color, and apply it onto the outer half of our eye and a little bit in the crease. Now we are taking Tangled Up in You, which is the tan color, and just windshield wipering that all into our crease. And finally, we are taking Don't Turn a Brown, which is the dark brown color, and putting that into our outer V.
We go on every night, stay up till the sunlight. Tick-tock, taking our time, it's alright.
And don't worry if you mess up like that, because we are just going to blend all of it together anyway.
We go on every night, stay up till the sunlight. Tick-tock, taking our time, it's alright. Turn on, kick it and drive. Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life, it's alright. We on the night, it's alright.
is done, I am just taking the Garnier Skin Renew Anti-Dark Circle Roller and putting that under my eyes to try to get rid of those stupid bags, and then just blending it in with the same Real Techniques blending sponge.
Hello, and I'm feeling fly. It's hot with the sunny sky. We laugh out like every night. We can do what we want to. We roll with the windows down.
And now to give our face, don't you love how I say our face? Like, my face is also your face. To give our face a little bit more dimension, I am applying the Maybelline Dream Lumi highlighter under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and my chin, and then once again blending it in with a blending sponge.
Meet up with the boys in town. We go out around and around, young and free, no place to be. Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like our rules. It's our life. We go on every night, stay up till the sunlight. Tick tock, taking our time. It's alright, alright. Turn on, kick it.
Now I am just applying the Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent Powder and applying that wherever we had the highlighter or the concealer.
Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life. It's alright, alright. Lay out in the
And now I am just applying one coat of the Maybelline Plush Cheese Mascara.
beachy air. Forget every single care. Breathe in and let down your hair. Live and play like every day. We got what we need right here. We're tight and that's crystal clear. We get it right every year, and we know that's how it goes. Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like.
Now, I personally don't like to use eyeliner because I feel like it just looks really harsh on my eyes, so I like to use eyeshadow. So I'm just taking that darkest color in the palette again and applying it to the tops of my eyelids and also on the bottom where you would normally apply the eyeliner.
It's our life. We go on every night. Stay up till the sunlight. Tick tock, taking our time. It's alright, alright. Turn on, kick it and drive. Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life. It's alright, alright. We on the night. It's alright. 'Cause we never stop.
And now, if I don't drop everything off the table, I am just applying my first coat of the Maybelline Falsies Mascara.
On the night. It's alright. 'Cause we never.
And like any normal girl, whenever I apply mascara, I usually get it on my eyelids. So I'm just taking that shading brush and I'm just gonna blend that mascara into my eyeshadow. You know, just make it work. And now the eyes are done.
We go on every night. Stay up till the sunlight. Tick tock, taking our time. It's alright, alright.
And now I am taking my favorite Urban Decay Press Finishing Powder in the color Naked Light and patting this all over my face. I don't like to brush the powder on my face because I feel like it pulls at the foundation, so I'm just going to pat it.
Turn on, kick it and drive. Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life. It's alright, alright. We on the night. It's alright. 'Cause we never stop.
On to contouring, we're going to be using the bronzer that came inside of the Tarte palette. It is in the color Park Avenue Princess, so we're just going to be contouring our cheekbones with this, applying it to our temples and the top of our forehead.
We go on every night. Stay up till the sunlight. Tick tock, taking.
Now for our powder highlighter, we're going to be using the one that came in the palette also, and it is in the color Champagne, aka the prettiest color ever. And we're going to be applying this to the tops of our cheekbones, and then also wherever we applied our liquid highlighter, so our cupid's bow, our chin, the bridge of our nose, and in between our eyebrows. Now, like I said before, I don't like to use eyeliner on the upper part of my eyelid, so what I do is I just apply a crap ton of mascara, and so now I'm just applying like my third or fourth coat of the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and then of course any mistakes that I make, I'm just going to blend it in with my blending brush. Our accent and our inner corner highlight, we're going to be taking Up to No Gold, which is of course the gold color in the palette, and applying that to our bottom lash line and then also the inner corners of our eyes. Blush because I feel like it makes me look like a clown, but I will be using the blush in the palette. It is in the color Unleashed, and of course, like everything else, my hair is on the brush. Okay, so it's not that bad, but now I'm just taking the Champagne highlighter from the palette and I'm applying that to my brow bone.
Forget every single care. Breathe in and let down your hair. Live and play like every day. We got what we need right here.
And now on to the lips. I will be using the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Rampage. And I just think it's so funny when I put only half of the lipstick on the upper part of my lip. I always have to stop and laugh at myself and then continue applying the rest. So now, if I can get this stupid bottle open, I will be applying the NYX Butter Gloss over that lipstick just to kind of tone it down. So then you just check yourself out and see if there's anything left to do, and I think I'm done. So the last step is to just set all of our makeup. I'm using the Urban Decay setting spray and just try not to choke and die on this stuff because it's very, very strong.
And that's crystal clear. We get it right every year, and we know that's how it goes. Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like our rules. It's our life. We go on every night. Stay up till the sunlight. Tick-tock, taking our time.
So I hope you liked this video, and I hope maybe I inspired you to go get the Tarte palette. It is absolutely stunning. The colors are so amazing. It's just an amazing palette. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like to see more, and I will see you on my next video.